kindergarten, please make sure that you've practiced all of those flashcards before you hang out with me. If you've practiced, awesome. Let's get started. Take your arm out and shake it awake and say, good morning, arm. Let's touch our shoulders, our elbows, our wrists. Slide it down. Shoulder, elbow, wrist. Slide it down. Let's practice blending. Here we go. D-unk, dunk. Sh-unk, shunk. Sh-ang, shang. Ch-ang, chang. Ch-ung, chung. F-ung, fung. F-onk, funk. M-onk, monk. M-ink, mink. H-ink, hink. H-ing, hing. O-ing, ling. O-ong, long. Er-ong, wrong. Er-ank, rank. B-ank, bank. Good job, kindergarten. Today, we are going to be talking about proper nouns. We talked about this before. So, do you remember what a proper noun is? A proper noun is just a name. We know that a noun is something we can touch, and it can be a person, a place, a thing, or an animal. So today we're going to talk about a special kind of noun called a proper noun. That would be the name of something, the name of a person or the name of a place. So I'm going to say some nouns. If you think that it is a proper noun, I want you to make yourself nice and tall and proper. And if you think it's just a regular noun, I want you to kind of just slump your shoulders like it's just a regular noun. Okay, kindergarten? Here we go. Jesus. Jesus. That's his name. It's a proper noun. Kindergarten, here's your next one. Marker. Marker. That's just a regular noun. It's just a marker. Just something I can touch. Here's your next one. Miss Stoller. Miss Stoller. I'm a proper noun. Miss Stoller is a proper noun. Here's your next one. Grass. Grass. It's just a regular noun. It's just some grass. All right, kindergarten, your next one. Pete. Pete the cat. Pete the cat is a proper noun. He has a name. His name is Pete. Pete the cat. And here's one more for you, kindergarten. Apple. Apple. Apple's just a regular noun. It's just something I can touch and I can eat it, kindergarten. Please go and take out a piece of paper. Make sure that either it's one that you have room on the bottom, or if you flip it over like a pancake, there's room on the back side. So a piece of paper, a pencil, and an eraser. Let's write some proper nouns today, kindergarten. Do you have your piece of paper and your pencil and your eraser? Kindergarten, when we write a proper noun, it is proper, it's nice and tall. The first letter of any proper noun or name always has to be capital. It has to be uppercase. That's how we know that it is a proper noun. Kindergarten, your first proper noun today is Jake, like Mr. Jake. Can you sound out and write Jake? Here we go with our proper noun. J. Oh, that's a J. But kindergarten, it's the first letter in this proper noun, so it has to be capital, uppercase. J. A. I hear an A. J. A. K. Oh, you might want to put a C or a K. We're not going to put both because those only come at the end. When we put a C and a K, that only comes at the very end. I'm going to put just a K. In kindergarten, we can't put a C and K at the end because this is not the end of our name, of our proper noun. A is saying its name, so who has to go at the end? Magic E has to go at the end. Magic E jumps over that consonant, that K, and says to A, say your name. This is J-A-K, Jake. Are you ready for your next one? Remember, if I ever go too fast, just pause, write your word, and then come back and see if you wrote it correctly with me. If not, easy peasy lemon squeezy, just take out your eraser and fix it. Here's your next proper noun, kindergarten. It is Pete. Pete. See if you can sound out Pete. You ready? P. Ooh, that's a P. P. E. I hear an E. P. Eat. There's a T. Kindergarten. This E is saying its name. What has to go at the end? A magic E has to go at the end. Eat. Pete. Magic E is here to jump over the T and say to this E, say your name. Are you ready for your next proper noun? Here it is. Sam. Sam. Remember, if I go too fast, just press pause, write your proper noun name, and then come back and check with me. Sam. Ooh, that's an S. Am. Am. Kindergarten, we know this. Am. That's one of our sight words. We know how to write am. A. M. That's am. I can sound this out. Am. Sam. Make sure that you always check and you always fix your mistakes, okay, kindergarten? That's why we have erasers. Here's your last proper noun today, kindergarten. Mike. Mike. That is your last proper noun, your last name today. Mike. Oh, that's an M. I hear I right there. You might want to put that CK, but I know that's not the end of our word, so you either need to put a C or a K. I'm going to put a K. I know that's not the end of our word because this I is saying its name, so at the end I need magic E right here. Mike. Kindergarten, if you look at all of my proper nouns, they all start with a capital letter, an uppercase letter. Just like when you write your names, you always make the first letter in your first name and the first letter in your last name capital, nice and uppercase, because you are a proper noun. Did you know that? You are a proper noun, kindergarten. Let's get out our arms and let's sound out these proper nouns one more time. Here we go. Jake. Jake. I can look ahead and see there's magic E at the end. Eat. Pete. No magic E here, but I do see one of our sight words. That's going to help me sound this word out. Here we go. Sam. And our last one, I see magic E right here, kindergarten. Ike. Mike. Kindergarten, you are doing a great job so far. Would you please take your paper, see if you have room on the bottom, or flip it over like a pancake. See if you have room back there. I'm going to give you a sentence to write today. If you need a new piece of paper, go grab one now. Kindergarten, your sentence today is, did you see Tim go in the cave? Did you see Tim go in the cave? Oh, Tim sounds very brave, kindergarten. I don't even know if I'd go in a cave. All right, let's see how many words are in that sentence. Did you see Tim go in the cave? Whoa, kindergarten, I think this is the most words we've ever had in a sentence before. We have 5 plus 3, which equals 8 words. Let's say it one more time. Did you see Tim go in the cave? Happy writing. Did you get your sentence all written out, kindergarten? And did you double check for an uppercase, a capital letter? You might need a couple capital letters today. A finger space, a period, or a question mark at the end. And did you read it out loud, pointing to each word to make sure it made sense? If you did, great. Let's check my sentence today. Do I have a capital letter to start my sentence with? I do. Let's check for those finger spaces. We have a lot of words in this one, which means we're going to need a lot of finger spaces. Here we go. Let's see how many finger spaces we need. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I only needed 6. You might need more if you were able to fit more of your words onto the same line. You might need less if you had to use your words and go down 3 lines. Who knows? As long as you have a finger space in between each word, kindergarten, you are okay. Let's check and see what I put at the end of my sentence. I put a question mark because this is asking a question. It's asking, did you see? I want to know if you saw something. Did you see Tim go in the cave? Oh my goodness, kindergarten. I still think Tim is pretty brave. Kindergarten, speaking of Tim, let's check out his name in this sentence. I have Tim right here, and he starts with a capital letter because he is a proper noun. Our proper nouns stand nice and tall because they are names, kindergarten, right here. Okay, let's read it and see if I put my words in order. Here we go. Did you see Tim go in the cave? When you sound out cave, make sure that you have that magic E at the end because A is saying its name. Kindergarten, I bet your illustration for this one looks great. Would you please pull out your pencil and would you please circle the proper noun in this sentence? Right here. Beautiful job, kindergarten. You are doing a fantastic job today. I'm going to give you a warm fuzzy for reading and a warm fuzzy for grammar. I'll see you guys later.